from Cleveland's most accurate weather team. This is 19 First Alert Plus, sponsored by the man that makes them pay, Tim Misney.
All right, it is Monday evening. Chris Fry coming to you from the 19 News Digital Studios with a look at your forecast. A first alert issued for tomorrow or later tonight into tomorrow. Let's bring in Chief Meteorologist Jason Nicholas with the details on this first alert. Jason, I've been watching weather coverage across the Midwest. These storms are popping up, tornadoes, a lot of rain, a lot of wind, and it is headed our way.
Yeah, Chris, it is. Let's break down the latest on the first alert weather night and day. Take a look here. We are tracking two rounds of weather here. One overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, then another one later in the day tomorrow. Highest severe weather threat, though, will be tomorrow, 5p to 10p. Now, there may be a few showers and storms overnight into tomorrow morning, and I can't rule out a strong to severe cell. However, our greatest threat for severe is going to be tomorrow afternoon. Damaging winds, large hail, and a tornado risk that is not zero. Right now, we do have some rain and even some thunder out there. Notice down through Dover, New Philly here, things are starting to light up from Cleveland to Elyria. Really downtown is getting a little bit of rain. Heavy rain, Medina as you move to Worcester. Also some thunder right now showing up into Holmes County. Also as you head down through Dover, New Philly as well. So things are beginning to get a little active. This is a severe thunderstorm watch for Indianapolis. Tornado watch back out this way. Look at this tornado watch. This is a big tornado watch. Wow, we're going to measure it, and you can see basically it goes almost 500 miles. Actually, it's bigger than that. This is a wow. Kind of get the idea of the system. It's pretty dynamic. So almost 800 miles wide there, Chris, on that tornado watch. That's a big deal. No tornado warnings at this point. A couple of flash flood warnings, severe thunderstorm warning for Indy. So again, we're going to be under the gun tomorrow, especially in the afternoon. Wider picture shows nothing stopping it. It's all got to move through. And I am concerned really about flooding too. 11 p.m., rain and thunder to our south. Showers at 4 a.m. And then notice tomorrow morning, my goodness, a lot of activity there early in the day. You can see there 8 a.m., scattered showers and thunderstorms. Even as we head through the afternoon there, you can see things starting to pop 3, 4 p.m., and then they really get going again after 4 p.m., 5 p.m. through around 10. And then things do improve as we clear things out, cool things off with a few rain showers around on Wednesday with cooler air. So 40s right now. We'll stay mainly in the 40s overnight, and then we'll watch out for those thunderstorms to develop later in the day. That will be the big weather story here. And again, going back, let's go back and take a look at this data. You can see there it is, 5 p.m. Yikes, 6 p.m. So we'll likely be on the air here when this stuff starts, and then we could see anything happen between 7, 8, or 9 before it does appear that we will quiet things down. But this is your window for potential severe weather. All right, Chris, in 15 seconds, though, we'll take a look at that 7-day, which will include a little look at our eclipse forecast coming up.
I've represented families just like yours for over 4 decades. Listen, if you need me, call me. You know I'll be there for you, and I'll make them pay. In the meantime, I'll keep an eye out for you.
So severe weather is the concern as we head through the day tomorrow. Again, the timing here is 5 p.m. to 10 p.m., but we can still get some rain and thunder earlier in the day. There's no question. And then again, later in the day. Showers, windy Wednesday, little mix on Thursday, Friday, mostly just some rain and colder temps. Saturday, Sunday both look good, especially Sunday. And then here's the latest data on Monday for the eclipse, temp around 60 with high clouds. Now, those high clouds could block a little bit of that pure eclipse. Still a little early to tell on that. We're trending towards high cloud cover. We're not trending towards bright blue sky, but we also are not trending towards cloudy skies. So, the thinking is around 60 to 65. It will be cooler near Lake Erie. That is really important to point out. Along the lake shore, likely in the low to mid 50s. Inland areas will be warmer than that with high clouds. Now again, they're just these thin, high, wispy cirrus clouds. We'll be able to still get a pretty good glimpse at the eclipse with the glasses. It might not have the full brilliant effect, but not bad.
No complaints from me. I mean, as long as it's still visible, I'm all good with it now.
Yeah.
All right. Chief Meteorologist Jason Nicholas giving us an update on your evening forecast. Jason, we'll see you at the top of the hour.
Thank you, Chris.
As will I. We'll have our first newscast coming up tonight at 10 o'clock on CW 43, and then you can switch over to CBS for 19 News at 11. I'm Chris Fry in the 19 News Digital Center. We'll see you in just about 25 minutes.
19 News, now streaming on Samsung Smart TV. Search for channel 1035.